Welcome to the Introduction to Programming with Python course, where you will learn the basics of programming and how to write code in Python. My name is Talika and I'll be leading you through the course. I'm a high school student going into junior year, and I began learning how to really code about 4 years ago. Since then, I've learned how to code in Python and Java, and I've had some experience with it in projects, coding competitions, and computer science exams. Coding is an increasingly useful and in-demand skill that is beneficial to know for everybody in all different sectors and with different interests. Whether you're interested in art, business, or STEM, coding is a skill that you want to have under your belt. This course is designed to be quick and easy with small lectures, each teaching you one idea of coding at a time. By the end of this course, you will learn the basics of how to write code and gain a much better understanding of what programming is and how it works. At the end, you will be able to apply your programming knowledge and practice to build a mini calculator and a word finder. This course is for anybody curious about programming or who wants to learn how to do it. I've created this course to guide people who have never had experience with coding before through this experience of learning how to code step by step. Feel free to enroll in this course and give it a try.